Hi, my name is William and I will show you how to use the query Biomart statement of meta inside an R script. This example is run under our Docker image FAC 2003 Rocker meta. In a differential expression analysis, you may want to annotate gene ID with further information. For instance, assume you need to annotate these two genes, SUX2 and NANOG. Here you can see the ID of these two genes, the ensemble ID. We will use Biomart to help annotate these genes. An R package called Biomart can be used to connect to Biomart from R. Rather than using the R package directly, we will use the Biomart to R language distributed with meta-R. To use the query Biomart statement inside an R script, you need to import the Biomart to R language and its dependency. To do so, press Command L, type Biomart, select Biomart to R, and these are the dependency, such as the Biomart language. Now I can use the Biomart statement inside an R script. Query Biomart has 4 sections: database, datasets, attributes, and filters. By pressing Ctrl space with the cursor over the database field, you will trigger auto-completion and see all databases currently available in Biomart. This is done at runtime. I choose the Ensemble Gene ID database. Once you have selected the databases, you can select a dataset in this database. This list is populated automatically after you have selected the database. I will choose the Homo sapiens dataset. Attributes retrieved from Biomart will become the columns of the tables downloaded from Biomart to R. For this demo, I select the Ensemble Gene ID and annotate this attribute with the group ID. This group ID is defined under the column group container. This group annotation is used, for instance, when joining two tables. It is easy to associate the group to the column. To add a new attribute, press Return. I add the HGNC symbol attribute to the query. Finally, we add a numeric attribute, transcript length. Transcript length, yes, this one. Okay. Indicate the attribute numeric here. The filter sections allow you to restrict the result of the query to a subset of data. Press Ctrl space to see the different filters available. This is done also at runtime. Here we will filter the query by the HGNC symbol. Choose R identifier. In this case, the ID will come from an R identifier called HGNC symbol. Press the auto-completion and select it. Here you can see that it's linked to this one, which contains SUX2 and NANOG. The future table result from Biomart will contain the results of the query. You can see that the column names match the attribute names. Right-click on the script and select Run Script. The script is generated and the execution is performed under the Docker image Rocker meta. Here you can see the path to the Rocker image. The execution stops when the function useMart is not recognized. At this time, we have not yet imported the Biomart package. To do so, select the intention Add Biomart package installation code. The lines added at the top of the script were added by the intention. To finish, we generate an histogram of the transcript length from the Biomart query. The lines I just added how to save the plot into an image. The first line is to save the image into a PNG and dev.off to close the PNG image. I now type the is function and press the auto completion to select the table result from Biomart. With the dollar, I can see the columns available on the table. Here are the 3 columns of the table. I choose transcript length and make a right click on the script to run it. Now the script is again generated and sent to the Docker image Rocker Meta R. Here you can see that the packages are now loaded and the script completely successful. Here is the transcript length histogram. Thank you for your attention.